what's up, lazy bushcrafters? This is John. I am here with my friend Brian in the Catskills. We're gonna do Bearpen Mountain at least. Brian is a big climber of the Catskills peaks, and I think he's about to complete them sometime fairly soon. This is my first time up in the Catskills. This is my first time doing a really long hike with snowshoes. I don't know if you can see that. This will be probably a pretty short video because it's gonna be pretty cold. I'm not gonna be able to get a ton of footage. So hopefully it'll be a nice little hike, and I'll see you guys maybe at the peak or at the end. All right, guys, so we're up here on Bearpen Mountain. Brian, would you like to just say hi? Or? That's my buddy Brian. He's nice enough to help me come up here and not die. It's my first time snowshoeing anything that is kind of a moderate level hiking trail, and it was not that bad. You get really hot and sweaty, but this is like super, super nice. I'd say as a first time doing this, it's really been a different way to experience just being outside, and it's actually not that cold. That's the other thing I was worried about. It's like, I don't know, I could get to like -10, but it's only like 27 degrees. So, and it was a pretty quick hike, maybe 2 hours. All right, so me and Brian decided to do one more peak. We're here on the top of Bearpen Mountain, which was a nice little secondary peak to go, not quite as steep as Bly. And Brian tells me this used to be a old skiing area, so that's why it's kind of pretty nice and open here. You've got the mist and the clouds and probably maybe still some snow down there. Nice day hike, pretty quick, actually not super, super long. In my opinion, with hiking out in the winter, you do have to be prepared. Definitely, it's something you can't take in a just sort of like, oh, I don't care, I'll just do it fashion. You have to do some preparation, but it's actually not that hard. And people think it's really cold, but you know, once you get yourself moving, you're gonna be nice and warm anyway. And if anything, you have to watch out for becoming too sweaty, because then that becomes an issue when you cool down.
2 hours later.
Hello, everybody. So I am just done doing Bly and Bearpen Mountain. Met only one other pair of hikers up here. Just got done, really nice. It only took us 4 hours, so it's actually not that bad. I thought it would take a lot longer. But really nice little area. Like I said, definitely go with snowshoes. It's definitely if you need to. But we came from just up there. Yeah, I hope you can see it. I'm gonna go drive back down to where I live. I will say I really enjoyed today. It's definitely a thing that if you are into hiking and you're a little concerned or you're not sure about doing winter hiking, I definitely would give it a shot. It's always good to go with someone who maybe knows a little bit more than you do about it, but it's definitely a really cool way to just experience being out in nature in the forest and that kind of thing. It's something I'm probably gonna get a little more into. And oh, I dropped something here. Hopefully maybe I'll get another video, but I will catch you guys in the next one. See you around.